Hey guys, and welcome to Rise Scale. And today I'll show you how to produce articles like this one with strong AT signals, amazing featured images, turn on external links, real product screenshots, stunning infographics, tables, pros and cons, interactive tools. So let me just tell you right now that no AI writing tool on planet Earth is capable of creating articles like these ones. This is beyond amazing. This is the best article I have ever produced, period. And I know what I'm talking about because I am the author of multimedia articles. So if you want to know how to create articles like these ones, stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is going to be lesson number 5 in our Cloud SEO automation course. We've already done 4 keyword research methods called product gap, question gap, data gap, and news gap. And now it's time to start with corresponding article types, which is again going to be product roundup, informational, link bait, and news. And this is part of a larger Cloud SEO automation that's going to help us connect to our CMS of choice, do on-page SEO, programmatic indexing, and the works. And the skill is going to be part of my Cloud SEO autopilot. We've already done the keyword research part, and now we're going to do the article generation part. Also, this method is responsible for me getting traffic in a niche that is deemed super hard by Ahrefs. And this site has completely obliterated Google Sandbox and is getting constant traffic, clicks, and impressions in this super difficult niche. Now, every time we install a new skill, in this case, this is product roundup, we are going through certain motions. So first is installing underlining skills or sibling skills. And in our case, the only 2 sibling skills are going to be Nanobanana skill and GPT Image 2 skill that take care of featured images and multiple infographics. There's going to be a few underlining skills like playwright and web search, but those are going to come inbuilt with the skill. Now, the easiest way to create those skills is go to these 2 websites. So if you want to use Nanobanana only, which is going to be cheaper, you need to go to this website called Nanobanana API, top it up. As you can see, I'm using this constantly. And you need to go to the API key, copy your API key, then to documentation, copy this URL here, then go back to Claude, start a new task, and say something along the lines of, I want you to create a skill called Nanobanana. Below are my API keys and links to our documentation. And then you paste in your API and the URL that leads to the documentation, and that's it. Now, there is also another way, and this is using a website called Kie.ai, which is Kie. And here you have access to not one, but multiple text-to-image models. You can use GPT Image 2. You can also use Nanobanana. So if we go to text-to-image, you get 2, Nanobanana 2 and Nanobanana Pro, and the flow is exactly the same. You go to your API keys, you copy the API key, but then you need to go to Markets, GPT Image 2, and copy this URL here that's going to contain all the information regarding endpoints and everything. You're going to be doing the same for Nanobanana, and again, back to Claude, and something like, I want you to create a universal image generation skill that uses Nanobanana and GPT Image 2. Below are my API keys and URLs with endpoints. And you paste everything here, and this is how you create these 2 skills. I created my Nanobanana skill way before I created GPT Image 2. That's why I still have 2, but I might as well just create a single universal skill. Then, in our previous lesson, I taught you how to create a product research skill. This is an example of my generation. So this is fully in line with the search gap method. This skill fetches underserved products that are flying under the radar, and I chose early SEO to test my article review skill. And all you have to do is install this skill and say something like, I want to run my article review skill against the following keyword, early SEO review, and I also give Claude the actual URL so it knows where to fetch the images from. Then there were a few things that were needed from me. So I needed to supply my LinkedIn profile link. I needed to choose between Nanobanana and GPT Image, which I did. And also I needed to tell how long I was testing the early SEO for, and I set a few weeks, which is a default section. And then it did everything for me. It consulted with my sitemap, it fetched information from LinkedIn, it generated all the images, it ran this simple checklist against my criteria, and we ended up with an article like this one, which is pure awesomeness. Now, this skill is going to be in my school community, but for those of you who want to try and copy it, I'll try to scroll through the skill. This is a multimedia review article generator that creates publish-ready interactive HTML review articles. This is the pipeline, web search, sitemap, OSI, screenshots, hero infographics. These are the inputs that I was talking about: keyword, target site, author name. Then there's going to be pre-flight interview. Claude needs to decide on my display name, the profile URL, the online credentials, the avatar source, and the image generator source. Then this is the actual pipeline: pre-flight, research, fetch sitemap, generate OSI keywords, capture real product screenshots, generate infographics and featured images, build the HTML, and verify quality. Now the skill is going to go in much detail about each one of these steps. And what I like about this skill especially is that after the draft has been generated, it's going to go through the checklist. This is how the checklist looks like. It's going to check whether the H1 is present, whether the keyword appears in the first 50 words, whether it's got enough internal and external links. Now you can obviously edit the skill. If you don't believe that 8 internal links is too much, you can amend that. If you believe that you don't need FAQ accordion, you can amend that, but this is how I write my articles. And again, the two sibling skills are here. So this skill is going to be my school community. We already done a keyword research bit. If you want to learn more about the underlining methodology, which is my search gap method that allows you to rank in 24 to 48 hours, I invite you to join the school. You also get access to my Vibe SEO class, to my Niche Hunter course, access to my custom tools, everything. And once again, this is going to be part of this enormous Cloud SEO autopilot ecosystem that will help you run your websites on autopilot and achieve results for fresh websites like these ones. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.